Hi guys, this is DDM VDS. Today I'm going to show you the new sales on the SS store. So as you see on the title, it's Black Friday 50% off. It's supposed to be earlier than the design day, but right now they are going on sale right now. Besides the Black Friday 50% off, they also have another promotion. Nighting deal. Actually, so this is why there's a two promotion. To see more information, actually, you can see that this promotion for the Black Friday sales is one from today, November 15 until December 4. Okay, and they have over 500 items, over 50% off. We will see more in detail about the SS store in the SS store later on, and also as I said, there's another promotion. So they call it lighting sales through the entire sale. When the Unity asset will be available for 90% off in limited quality. So the more the item sells, the smaller the discount get. Even though they will never fall below 50% saving. And the lighting sales will be launched every few hours to be sure to check back regularly to see what items are being added. Okay, so maybe we start to see what kind of thing you can see on the lighting. As you see, when you scroll down and you see many items maybe familiar with you, and they really get some discount on that. As you see, this already, because it is already over sometimes and people already buy something over there, so they down to 50% off. For some item, maybe you can still see, like here, you see the lighting sales promotion. You can see some 70% off is still good deal. The most good deal is 90% off, but you have to be very fast to buy the item. But when the quality go down, the discount will be get lower. So up to the 50% off. Okay. So this is what the lighting deal. When you go back to Black Friday 50% off, you can check the Unity asset here. You press the button, and let me see. And let me see what is there over there. And is there any regular? Maybe here. Okay. Press that button, and you see this is the lighting. When you click the lighting deal, this is the lighting deal. As you see, this is the quality. When you see only like 60 of 400 left, and still have 70% off. And see when you scroll down like 90%, because it only start within like 18 hours, and see the timing. So this is why you check whether you want to buy or not, or you decide, make your own decision. And this is more, you have to be caution, like because it is only some item left. Like for example, it's only 60 left. So if less than other people already buy it, so it's gone already. Okay, so you have to be more quick if you really want that item or this asset. So this is why you have to be cautious. Okay. And before we go on, we said something about the 50% off. As you see, I already have this dynamic bone last month. I buy it by $20, but right now is 50% off. Actually, I'm not. I buy more expensive than before, but there's not a big deal anymore because it is very useful. It's So for other things, so you can check everything under this tab. You check it, and they all have the 50% off. So there's many items, like as they said, is more than 500 items are on sale. So be quick. And but for this 50% off, they, as I said, they have this promotion is until December 4, so you still have time to think about whether you want that or not. But for the lighting sales, maybe you need to be faster if you want to buy something really good. Okay, so for this video, it is up to here. So if you have any more you want to ask, you can come and ask and make a discussion and drop some note over there. So my video will be end up here, and thanks for your watching, and hope you can buy some lighting deal as you wish, and be fun, and also buy something over the 50% off. For sure, it is really good deal. I will buy and check around the SS store for maybe a couple hours to see what I can buy. Okay, and what else I need to buy. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. This is DDM VDS. If you like, just give me a like, or just subscribe me, and we will have other videos coming. So thanks for your watching. Bye bye.